Check it out, YouTube. It's your boy Kurt A-Roll coming to you. I'm in my 87 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. I'm sure you've seen it on my channel before. Anyway, I'm out here replacing some parts. You know, you've seen my video where I said I got a bunch of junk from LMC. I literally got a bunch of junk from LMC that I had to pay for, unfortunately. No sponsorships over here, but hey, what I'm about to replace now is I'm about to pull this mat out right here, and as you can see, I noticed some, some light rust. And, you know, this is the contributor from this freaking infamous window right here. Yeah, you know, water comes in, and rolls and drips down, and so. And then you have little spots here, so I'm gonna sand that down best I can, and I'm gonna vacuum it up, and I'm gonna spray some rust inhibitor on it and all that good stuff, you know, and just go from there. So, but hey, we're gonna look at all that dust. Just make sure first thing you do is just pull this out, go and vacuum out your seals in here, get all that mess out of there. If there's any crud or whatnot in there, and you go from there. If you're not up to speed, I just replaced all the speakers in here. Front, rears, and I installed this quadraphonic 4 amplifier to power all of my speakers. So I got that hooked up. You can see that in a different install in a previous video, I'm pretty sure. But this here is the part number for that. All parts courtesy of LMC, of course. This is the rear speakers. Dual voice coil. 4 ohm impedance per ohm per coil, so you want to just use one coil, or ensure that your source of power or audio is capable of being stable at the impedance both of those coils would put down there on your amplifier radio. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull this mat out so you guys can see it. Alright, check it out, guys. This is what we got here. This is the mat right here. Alright, as you can see. And this is the mat, okay? It's the driver's side, because it has a little indentions right there, so keep that in mind. Alright? Insulation. I ordered the insulation for keeping the heat down, providing a nice little padding on the floor. So, alright, as you can see, I just pulled my original factory mat out of the vehicle, and boy, does it look a mess. Check it out. Tell me, doesn't that look a mess? That's the driver's side over there. It was literally in pieces, and it looks old as hell. This right here is what was beneath it. Insulation. As you can see, it's beat the hell up. Wow, definitely time to replace that. Alright, this is what we got going in. But before we put anything in, there's still more to come out. And then look at all of the trash. No better time to go ahead and pull out this old door seal, door weather stripping. Go ahead and replace that, because it's old as hell and it could be replaced. And also, let's see what we got here. That's the old one right there. I'll go ahead and order me a new one to put up in there. So, it's as easy as this. See that? LMC. You can't see that, but door weather stripping on cab. $29.95. I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 of those babies. $59.90. Delivery and handling is $13.75, $73. Wow. But you gotta do what you gotta do. I should have ordered it when I placed my big order and I would have got that free shipping going on with that. So, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get that done, and just show you also a couple other things that's getting installed. This here is a door kit. All this comes as a kit. This here is a stripping that goes on the door against the window. 68 for both sides right there. And this right here is the window channel port that goes at the top. That top for both sides look like, or it goes on the bottom. We'll get it figured out though. Well, this comes in a kit, or you can get these parts individually. So check that out. Part numbers right here. (38) 5996 5997 5968 5969. So like a window channel. So 5983 5982. I'm gonna get these mats put in and I'll come back to you. Alright guys, gotta get this thing vacuumed up. Let's do it.